Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a form in WordPress. First, you'll need to select a suitable form builder plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Popular options include WP Forms or Contact Forms 7. Once chosen, install and activate it directly from your dashboard. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the form building capabilities on your site. Now, let's build your form. Most plugins offer a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Simply select the field types you need, such as text, email, or checkboxes, and place them on your form. Remember to customize each field's label and placeholder text, and mark any essential fields as required. This ensures you gather all necessary information. With your fields in place, it's time to refine your form settings. Configure notification emails so you're alerted every time someone submits the form. Decide on a confirmation message for users, or perhaps redirect them to a specific thank you page. Don't forget to adjust the styling to seamlessly integrate with your website's design. Finally, publish your form. You can easily embed it onto any WordPress page or post using a simple shortcode provided by your plugin. For more advanced functionality, consider exploring features like conditional logic, which shows or hides fields based on user input or even payment integrations. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.